Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in Bangkok today. We're at the Conrad in Bangkok, and we're gonna look at this room. 24, 25. We got an upgrade. Let's take a look, a quick tour of the room. First off, we have this place for your bag, and in the closet we have they gave us robes. There's three of us in this place. A safe, laundry bag, laundry list, shower. Basically an iron and some stuff and some drawers. And usually there's a thing. The ironing board is back there. They set us up. They gave us a nice setup over here for the bed with a little elephant included. A nice end table. This room has an espresso machine with the pods that will be filled daily. There is some water that they provided, and of course if you want to buy extras, there's the price for that. I believe there is a mini fridge. There she is right there. And it's filled with stuff that's all extra. Okay, so be careful with that. So we're gonna close that up. Yeah, and like I said, we're at the Conrad, okay, in Bangkok, not the residence. It's a Conrad residence. So now we're gonna come over here and look out our view. We're on the 24th floor, and the view is pretty spectacular. We'll get a better view. There's a sofa, an egg chair, a table to work on with outlets and plugs. They set up this little cot for one of us to sleep in. There's a king bed, very cushy, looks like. They also have one of these little screen where you can look in the bathrooms. Kind of crazy. Thermostat control right there. Sliding door for the restroom. And let's look at the restroom now. We have a full shower, glass enclosed. Looks nice there. Okay. And then we have the especially so, the sink, the mirror, and of course they have a grand bathtub. So that's it, guys. Quick review of the Conrad in Bangkok. Take care. Thank you for subscribing and have a great day. Bye now.